Women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 Low OG Wash Teal from Jordan brand is bringing new life to summer 2025. The traditional silhouette is given a sophisticated update with contemporary elements in this new edition, increasing its allure. The Wash Teal color scheme has gentle pastel hues that are ideal for the summer. Completely made of suede, the upper offers depth and substance. A tufted swoosh adds a high-end, distinctive appearance to the shoe. Additionally, the tie-dye-inspired laces add a distinctive touch to the entire style. The outsole's translucent green color adds to the freshness. The shoe is grounded by a light-tinted midsole, which also maintains the color scheme's softness and adaptability. Every component functions as a whole. This variant features a bolder shape thanks to a wider swoosh and a rounded toe box than the original Air Jordan 1 Low. For $140, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Wash Teal will be on sale on June 18, 2025.